Sugarland Medical Spa was created to be more than just meet your aesthetic needs. It was designed to be your ultimate wellness destination.
As a physician, I was never satisfied with just improving appearances. I've always believed that true beauty comes from form, function, balance, and wellness. All of these things come from the inside out.
What began as a medical spa quickly evolved into offering solutions to men and women silently struggling with issues like intimacy, hormones, and vitality. That's when I knew we had to go deeper and do more. So I further specialize in solutions for sexual wellness, cosmetic gynecology, bioidentical hormone therapy, weight loss, body contouring, and so much more. We knew the needs of our patients can vary because everybody's different and every need is personal. We shifted our focus to restore from within, helping our clients reclaim energy, confidence, and power. Now we are expanding even further, offering functional wellness solutions so we can help patients move better and recover faster. We're helping with mental wellness solutions that are designed to heal, elevate, and transform lives. At Sugarland Medical Spa, we're not only just enhancing appearances, we are changing lives. This is a place of real results, real confidence, real transformations.
So I am Dr. Kimberly Evans, and I welcome you to experience the ultimate in total wellness with heart, science, and soul at Sugarland Medical Spa.